Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a poster on your Capcut on your iPhone. So here the things that you need to do is just open your Capcut application and make sure that you already update the new versions of the Capcut, and whenever you already update it, they will be new features right here, create with AI. And to create a poster, you just need to go click this poster sections, and after that you just need to go add the photos, or you can also use the templates on the Capcut recommendation. But then if you want to use your own photo, you just need to go click add to your photos here, and after that you just need to go click add, and you can just start adding and describe the information on the poster. Very simple. And after that you just need to go click generate the poster and allow, and you just need to wait until the Capcut system is make the poster for you. Okay, almost there. And here is several posters that will be generated, and here they will be pop up in this on your screen, the template of the poster that you can choose. And then you just need to click your favorite and go follow all of the instruction until the Capcut showing the way to download your poster. So that's the way how to create a poster on a Capcut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.